Hello and welcome. Exams are approaching. Anxiety is increasing. So I thought of sharing 10 powerful yet simple tips with students who are answering the 2021 board exams. Here we go. The first one, have your notes in order. I know some students who even at the last moment won't have their notes in order. Now, that's not an efficient practice if you want to excel in your exams. The first tip is to have your notes organized. Have your notes in order. Second one, find out about the reduced syllabus. I call this year for students a discount year. Why do I say that? In most cases, 30% of your syllabus is reduced. So you just have to study the 70%. I know there are students who are waiting for 100% reduction in syllabus, but that's not going to happen. So find out which topics are there for your exams and which are not there, and study. The third tip, mind map and short notes. Now have a paper stuck with short notes or mind map before every chapter. So when you open your book to study that particular chapter, you have important points already written right in front of that chapter. So it becomes easy during your revision process. If you want mind maps, lots of mind maps are there on this channel. Have a look at it. You may find them interesting. Fourth point, make a daily timetable and stick to it. Many of you may have spent a lot of time on social media playing PUBG and Free Fire, etc. But now it's time to focus and give full attention and full time to your studies. So make a timetable, daily timetable, regarding which subject you are going to study at what particular time, and stick with that timetable. Fifth point, practice your maths. Don't read it. There are geniuses who just look at a maths problem and they spend hours looking at it. You know what happens to those geniuses? They go to the examination hall. When a question paper is handed over to them, they just look at it. They don't know what to answer. So practice your math sums as many times as possible. That's the only way you can actually learn maths. So practice, don't read maths. Sixth tip, this is regarding languages. Focus on your grammar portion. Practice and learn to write letters, essays, etc. Because grammar portion will be a deciding factor as to how high you score or how low you score in languages. So focus on grammar in your language papers. Seventh tip, map work in geography. Now these are guaranteed marks. So all you have to do is get few outline maps and practice marking the locations. That's all you have to do. Here again, don't just look at the map, practice marking the locations. Now we move on to the eighth tip, solve the past question papers. I suggest at least solve 8 to 10 past question papers. It will help you immensely. Most of the questions are repeated, so you already know what is coming for your exams. So do not take this tip lightly. Practice the past question papers. The ninth tip, exercise. I am not a person who's going to tell you to just sit and study the whole day. Don't do that. Give certain amount of time for your physical exercise. It will help you a lot in studying. Finally, we move on to the 10th and the final tip. Look after yourself. Eat healthy and drink plenty of water. It's very important. So please look after yourself as you prepare for your exams. Hope these 10 powerful yet simple tips will help you to be successful in your 2021 board exams. If you have not already subscribed to this channel, do that and share this video with as many people as possible. See you next time. Take care. Thank you very much.